What is going on, guys? So today I feel like giving the Mach 1 a little bit of love, and I'm going to tell you exactly what we're going to do. So you see the shaker, it obviously has a lot of signs of aging. Like, it is faded and just does not, it really sticks out. It just does not go good with the car. You know, I got the car tinted recently, so everything's really nice and black, and the shaker is just like a very light gray. So what we're going to do is take the shaker off, disassemble it, clean it, and then hopefully, if all goes well, paint it and see how well that looks. Now guys, please forgive how absolutely disgusting this car looks. Pollen season is really kicking my ass on like maintenance and, you know, keeping this car clean. As you can tell, it's just filthy. But anyway, so to start off, there are two 10mm bolts on either side of the shaker that you're going to have to remove. And then this just pops off, and then the whole thing just comes off. So we're gonna do that now. Now, once you have the shaker removed, you can just flip it on over, and you have 6 10mm bolts that you also have to remove to get this bottom part separated from the top part that we are going to be painting. Now, once you have all those 6 bolts taken apart, you can just pull it apart. It comes off in 3 pieces. You got, you know, the part that goes to the air intake, and then you have the little rubber insulator in the middle, and then you have this piece. So we're about to be cleaning this and prepping it for paint. So to get all the grease and wax off of this, I'm going to be recommending using some engine degreaser. You know, we're just gonna spray it on there, and then I have some wire brushes that I'm gonna scrub the ever living shit out of it with. So yeah. Alright guys, so my friend Dylan just showed up at my house, and while we were waiting on the shaker to dry, that's his Focus ST, while we're waiting on the shaker to dry, I'm going to let him drive my car. We're going to be driving it without a shaker, obviously, but yeah, he used to own a Mach 1, so this should be interesting. Alright, go for it.
Yes, sir! America!
Make you want another one?
Yes.
I don't remember who it is that always yells at me, but it was one of these ladies. She's always like, slow down! I'm like, I'm not even speeding that bad. You know? It's okay.
Yeah. I don't even know how fast we went. No clue.
At least 10 miles an hour.
At least.
You heard what I'm talking about by like the whine though?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's so funny.
I hear it. Mine whines, but...
That's because you have a turbo, okay?
No, it's transmission.
Oh. Damn.
Yep. No problem.
Alright, so we should be able to begin painting now. Looks fairly dry. Ooh, look at that. That's gross. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I personally think that it looks amazing compared to what it was. I mean, it came out way better than I expected. So yeah, very happy with this. No more looking super old, and it matches that. Oh, looks way better. And there's Dylan's ST. Nice. Nice. But anyways guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be coming out with more videos this week, hopefully. So yeah, see ya. More power, baby.